Hello students, welcome back in your science class. So let's continue our chapter acids, bases and salts. In previous session of this chapter, we have studied about acidic substances and basic substances and properties of acid and bases. We also come to know about indicators. Indicators are those substances which is used to test acidic and basic medium of substances. So here are some natural indicators which we prepared from flowers of China rose, root of beetroot, stem of turmeric and leaves of red cabbage. We take the part of the colored part of the plant and boil them in water for some time, and after straining we get colored solution which we use as indicators. Here we are studying some natural indicators. Let's see. First, litmus solution. Litmus is extracted from lichens. Its color is mauve or purple color. When this litmus solution added in acid solution, it mauve or purple color changes into red color. And when we add in base solution, its color change into blue color. This litmus solution also come in strip form, that is known as litmus paper. There are two litmus paper, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Blue litmus paper, when we dip blue litmus paper in acidic medium, its color changes into red color. But there is no change when this litmus paper dipped in basic solution. Similarly, when red litmus paper dipped in basic medium, its color changes into blue color. But when it dipped in acidic solution, there is no change in color. I have told you that red litmus paper, when it dipped in basic solution, it turns into blue color. So here I have red litmus paper and I have soap solution. Let's check it is acidic or basic in nature. I dipped this litmus paper in this solution. In this bottle I have soap solution. You can see that this red litmus paper change into blue color. So it means soap solution is basic in medium. Let's check the effect of acid on red litmus paper. I have taken lemon. You know that lemon contains acid, citric acid. I put 1 drop of lemon juice on litmus paper, red litmus paper. So you can see that there is no change in color of red litmus paper. In this way we can also check by blue litmus paper that given substance is acidic or basic. Next is turmeric. How can we use turmeric as an indicator? You know that turmeric is a yellow color powder which is used in vegetables and other food items. Now how can we prepare turmeric indicator? So let's see. We take some turmeric powder and it mix with little amount of water and make a paste. Then this paste applied on blotting paper and leave it to dry. When it dry, our turmeric indicator is ready. Now we can check that how can we check with turmeric paper that given substance is acidic or basic. So when we dip turmeric paper in acidic medium, it turns into reddish brown color. But in basic medium, there is no change in color. Means there is no effect in basic medium. You have experienced when you are eating your favorite dishes and it falls on your shirt, white shirt, and there you will find that yellow stain is appear. So when your mother washed that shirt, there is some spot of red color, reddish brown color. So here I have taken some old cloth and here I put some turmeric solution. You can see that this is yellow spot. Now check with soap solution. Here I will drop some soap solution on this spot of yellow stain. You can see that it changes into yellow color, reddish brown color. But when we drop some lemon drops on this yellow part of cloth, there is no effect. So it shows that in basic medium, turmeric paper change into reddish brown color and there is no effect in acidic medium. So here is basic medium. Turmeric paper changes into reddish brown color in basic medium and in acidic medium there is no change. Like turmeric, we also can prepare China rose indicator. China rose is also known as hibiscus. We will take some petals of China rose flower and boil it with water and we will boil it some time and we will get light pink color. This light pink color of China rose we will use as an indicator. In acidic medium, the light pink color of China rose indicator turns into dark pink color and in basic medium it turns into green color. Here is another indicator named phenolphthalein. It is colorless solution. It is prepared in laboratory by using phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. When we add phenolphthalein dye in alcohol, a colorless solution is obtained and it is used as an indicator. When we add phenolphthalein in acidic medium, there is no change in color. But when we add this phenolphthalein solution in basic medium, its color change into deep pink, means colorless change into deep pink color. So it decides that given substance is basic medium, but there is no effect in acidic medium. So you have seen that there are many natural indicators that you can prepare at your home very easily. So you can do it at your home, but do it carefully and enjoy it. We will meet again with new topic. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.